The average global lifespan is 73 years. In many African countries, it is even lower, allowed 64 years. But what if I told you that science has proven small daily choices can help you live 10 years longer and healthier? This is not fantasy. It's not just a hack. It is not a luck, but habits. We'll look at these habits. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito. I am a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, we are going to look at simple ways, simple habits that can add up to 10 years in your lifespan. You want to know more? Then keep tuned up to the end of this video, and then you will know how to live longer and healthier. What is killing us too soon? Many people across the world, millions, die 10 to 20 years earlier than they should. Not because of genetics, but because of lifestyle choices. So which are some of the lifestyle choices that we make that promote premature death? One is risk to heart diseases, things like stroke, type 2 diabetes, obesity and related cancers, smoking and related illnesses, and sedentary lifestyle. These are some of the diseases that make many people to die earlier than they should. And these are not random. They can be predictable and they are preventable. So, what do you need to do? Harvard studies have shown that people who adopt just 5 healthy lifestyle habits can add 10 to 12 years to their lifespan and stay disease-free long, enjoying their lives. So it is not just about living forever. It is about living well, living longer, living stronger, and freedom from illness. So, let's look at 7 critical habits that you need to incorporate in your life to live longer. Eat real food. So more plants, less sugar, fewer processed foods lowers your risk of heart diseases, strokes, and even cancer. Then keep moving your body. 30 minutes of walking, dancing, or gardening boosts your mood, it builds your brain power, and improves your metabolism. Then sleeping 7 to 8 hours on a daily basis. It strengthens your immunity, improves your memory, and also increases your longevity. Don't smoke and reduce your alcohol intake. When you stop smoking, it adds over 10 years to your life. And if you are taking alcohol, take it in moderation. For men, not more than 2 drinks. For ladies, not more than 1 drink. Be able to manage your stresses in life. Remember, stress is energy. You have to learn the skills of how to overcome your stresses in life. Learn the breathing techniques, praying, mindfulness, and journaling. Talk to someone. This reduces inflammation and also reduces your risk for chronic diseases. Build stronger relationships. It has been shown that people who do not have relationships, they are like people who smoke 15 cigarettes per day. So, loneliness increases your risk of death by 26%. So, every day, message a friend, give them a call, and connect. Learn to keep in touch with the people who matter in your life. Then, have regular checkups. This helps you to catch diseases early when they are preventable and treatable, and when they are most treatable. So your body is built to heal, and give it that power, and it will give you back years. So 80% of the chronic diseases can be prevented with lifestyle changes. This means that you have sharper memory, you have stronger bones, and even better energy. Then the longer life you live with these lifestyle changes, you have a fulfilling life with your children and even your grandchildren. Then this also means less medication for you, fewer hospital visits, and also more freedom. Remember that when you are in charge of your life, it is a real win, and it means more birthdays to celebrate, more hugs to give, and more life with your loved ones. So, start small, but start today. Swap soda for water. Go for a 20-minute walk. Call someone you love. Sleep earlier tonight. And then book that checkup. You are not just living. You are building a stronger future. Share this with someone you want to grow old with, and also follow the Overall Health YouTube channel for more tips on how to live healthy. We meet in the next video.